Imagine an AI that can code, write, and analyze, maybe even better than a lot of humans. Well, that's not science fiction anymore. It's the new reality. Today, we're diving into how AI isn't just tweaking the tech industry. It's completely rewriting the rules for what it means to have a career in it.
And look, this isn't just another software update. This is a fundamental shift. The AI we have today has leaped far beyond being a simple chatbot. It's become a powerful force that is actively reshaping the entire tech landscape. Like right now, as we speak.
You know, the speed of this change is just mind-blowing. In only a couple of years, we've seen AI go from a neat party trick to a full-on digital coworker that can write code, debug it, and even help strategize. So this isn't some far-off, distant future we're talking about. This is happening right now.
So how is this actually playing out on the ground? Let's start with something we all know, the development workflow. This is where you can really see that jobs aren't just disappearing, they're transforming.
Think about the old way, right? That tedious grind of writing the same boilerplate code over and over, spending hours on Stack Overflow hunting for that one weird error. Now, picture this, an AI-assisted workflow. Developers are literally partnering with AI, handing off all the repetitive stuff so they can focus on what we humans do best, big-picture architecture and real innovation. This quote really hits the nail on the head. It's not about being replaced, it's about being augmented. Think of AI as a massive force multiplier for your skills. The people who get really good at using this new tool, they're the ones who are going to lead the next wave of tech. And honestly, if you ignore it, you risk getting left in the dust.
But this whole shift isn't just about changing the jobs we already have. It's actually creating entirely new ones from scratch. So let's meet this new breed of tech professional that's emerging from the AI revolution.
Get ready to see these job titles popping up everywhere. Companies aren't just looking for people who can code anymore. They need people who can design, integrate, and manage these incredibly complex AI systems to solve real business problems. It's a completely new skill set.
So let's take prompt architect. This is way more than just asking an AI a simple question. We're talking about designing intricate, multi-step instructions, almost like an engineering blueprint, to get an AI to, say, generate an entire microservice from the ground up, error handling and all. It's about learning how to think with the AI, not just give it commands. All right, so let's get practical. How is this actually making things faster in the real world today?
This AI-assisted prototyping flow is an absolute game changer. I mean, a process that used to take weeks, going from an idea to actual working code, can now be crushed down into just a few hours. You come up with the concept, the AI builds the scaffolding, and your job becomes about refining and deploying. The speed is it's completely unprecedented.
And this velocity isn't just for building new things. It's totally transforming day-to-day operations. Startups are shipping products in half the time. Big tech companies are embedding these AI tools to speed up everything from fixing bugs to designing APIs. This is the new baseline for what it means to be efficient. All of this really just leads to one single critical conclusion. Using AI is no longer a strategic choice you get to make. It's a fundamental necessity if you want to survive. The productivity gains are just too massive to ignore. We're seeing professionals who could potentially double their output just by leaning into an AI-assisted workflow. And in an industry that moves this fast, standing still is basically the same as moving backward. Your ability to leverage these tools is your new competitive edge, period.
So let's zoom out for a second and look at the bigger picture. This is about way more than just being more productive. It's about completely redefining our entire relationship with technology.
Pretty soon, almost every single role in technology is going to involve some kind of AI partner. The true innovators, the engineers who are going to be the most sought after, they'll be the ones who master this collaboration, blending AI's raw power with that uniquely human strategic vision.
And if there's one thing you take away from this, let it be this. AI is not here to replace the things that make you human. It's here to amplify them. Your creativity, your intuition, your ambition. A machine can't replicate that stuff. AI is just giving you a much more powerful platform to let those qualities shine.
So, that leaves us with one last pretty direct question. The tech is here, the shift is already happening. The only real choice left is, are you going to be the one to evolve with it, or are you just going to sit back and watch while everybody else leads the way?
Hey, if you found this useful, make sure to subscribe for more deep dives into the future of AI. And we'd really love to hear from you. Let us know in the comments what topic you want us to break down next. Thanks for watching.